Yes, baby, Bella's favorite bread. It's her breakfast. Can I have some, anak? Can I have some? Bako naman anak ko. She likes the Spanish bread. Bella loves her Spanish bread. The big, big bread. Can I have some? Can mommy get some? Oh, some ano? I'm hungry too. Takaw naman. Ay, house is messy, huh? Your daddy leaves his shirt here too. And Bella's toys are everywhere. Good morning, sunshine. Today is October 4th. May nagsiswimming na? May nagsiswimming? Nobody's swimming yet. Nobody's swimming yet. It's too cold to swim, huh? Bella. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy now? Where's Daddy? Hey, big mouth, my baby. Huh? Bella just woke up.
Yeah.
Daddy's not home yet. He'll be home around 4:30, right? On a Sunday. Let's fix your hair here. Takaw, my baby, oh. You're like Lola, huh? She likes bread. Can I have some now? Mommy wants some. Bunganga mo, look at your big mouth. Oh, my goodness. Can I have some? Ang tako, bebe. Doesn't wanna give me any. Can I have some? Laki ng bibig.